construction. So this is the Bracup construction. The first thing I'm going to do will take a guideline, and also this line you see here is the underboss. So please don't be confused. This is the underboss, and this is the guideline. So the first thing I'm going to take, I will take the height of the corset, which I said is 7 inches. This is the 7 inches. I'll take the 7 inches now, and also draw a straight line there too. After taking this, I will take the nipple distance, which is 3.5 from the center front. So I'll just take a line upward and draw a straight line there. This is 3.5. And also, I'm still going to take the nipple points to the underboss. Like I told you, nipple point to underboss is 3.5. So I'm going to take 3.5 there. Okay, so I'm going to draw a straight line there. After doing this, I'm going to take the span of the bust. So if you have 3.5 before, just add half inch to 3.5 to make it 4 for the side span. So I'll draw a line there too. Okay, now we have this now. So now I'm going to come to the underbust, and on one side I'll take 1/2/8, and at the other side I'll also take 1/2/8. Then on the center front parts, I will go down by 6/8 inches and upward by 6/8. Whatever you see me do at this side, I will repeat at the sides too. 6/8 here and 6/8 here. Okay. So now I'm going to connect them together. As from the center front, I'll connect them together using my armor curve. I'll repeat the same thing at the other side. So to avoid the pointy edge we do have in our in our cup, sorry, I'm going to come down 2/8 on both sides, both up and down. I will come down 2/8. That's a quarter. This will make that pointy thing you have on your nipple to vanish. At the nipple points there, it will make it to vanish. So I will just connect them together, as you can see on the screen. Please, in case you don't understand me, just watch what is written on the screen, please. So I will connect the other side. Please don't forget, at that nipple point, I went up by 2/8. That's quarter, and down 2/8 to blunt out that part. So in front now, I will come down by 1 inch, and by the side, I will come down by half inch. So just connect them using your um armor ruler. So to give it some shape now, I'll go in by 2/8 on this part, on the front side, and draw my line. I'll repeat the same thing at the sides to 2/8 and also draw my line. So it's that simple. We are done with the construction of the bra cup. If you don't understand me, please, all the details are written on the screen. In case you don't understand, just follow what you see me right on the screen. Okay, so I'm going to cut out the bra cup, or cut it out now. I'm just labeling them so I don't get confused when attaching them back. I'll just cut them like this. I'm done cutting. I'm going to join them with my fellow tape. If you see this cup carefully, you notice that there's no pointy nipple points. It's just rounded up. So there's no pointy nipple points. It's because we went in upward and downward 2/8. Voila. So you can see how beautiful it is now. We are done with our construction. Is it not beautiful? Okay, after all said and done, we are going to carry this